Oscar-winning Irish actor Brenda Fricker, who starred in My Left Foot and Home Alone 2, has died aged 81. Her death was confirmed by her agent Phil Belfield, who described the actor as a legend, whom he was honoured to know. Mr. Belfield said Miss Fricker passed away peacefully after a period of ill health. Dublin born and bred, Brenda Fricker undoubtedly deserves the noun legend. We will never see her like again, and the world is a lesser place for the lack of her, Mr. Belfield said. Fricker won a Best Supporting Actress Oscar for her performance as Bridget Fagan Brown in 1989's My Left Foot, which tells the true story of Christy Brown, an Irish author and artist who was born with cerebral palsy and could control only his left foot. She was also well known for her role in the 1992 follow-up to Home Alone, where she played Pigeon Lady, a homeless woman in New York's Central Park. Fricker was also part of the original cast of the BBC medical drama Casualty and featured alongside Cate Blanchett in the film on the life of Sunday Independent journalist Veronica Guerin. Her later roles included the TV adaptation of Graham Norton's first novel Holding, directed by Kathy Burke, and the Channel 5 drama series The Catch. Mr. Belfield said Brenda's versatility was renowned, and that her most recent solo film performance in Tygo Sullivan's The Swallow showed the truth and majesty of Brenda as an actor, and said it was a thing of beauty. Fricker's memoir, She Died Young, featured on bestseller lists, and she was recently granted the Freedom of the City of Dublin. Taoiseach Simon Harris said he was deeply saddened to learn of Fricker's death, describing her as a national treasure. He said her Oscar win was a defining moment for Irish cinema.